Hi, my name is Piper. I'm 16 years old. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I make my bed, then I go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I have breakfast. I like eating toast with jam and drinking tea. At 8 a.m., I start school. I have online classes at home. I listen to my teachers, do my homework, and talk to my friends during breaks. Sometimes I feel tired, but I try to focus. When school is finished at 2 p.m., I have lunch. I usually eat pasta or a sandwich. After lunch, I do some housework. I wash the dishes, clean the living room, and clean the windows. I also help with the laundry. There is a lot of work, but I like helping my family. In the evening, I spend time with my little brother. We play video games together. At 8 p.m., I go back to my room to study. After I finish studying, I usually relax with a book. I go to bed at 10 p.m.